3-week-old baby dies in Trelawney car crash. Body of a man believed to be St. Elizabeth escapee found in bushes. Man believed to be of unsound mind shot in Portland. Indicom investigating. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 3-week-old baby succumbed to injuries sustained in a motor vehicle collision on the Coopers Main Road in Trelawney on Sunday, September 10. The child has been identified as Daniela Morgan of Patrick City, Kingston 20. Reports from the Rio Bueno police are that at about 4:20 p.m., the parents and the baby were traveling in a blue Toyota Yaris motor car towards Montego Bay when the vehicle collided with a purple Nissan Juke motor car. The police were summoned and Morgan and her parents were taken to the hospital. The two persons who were in the Nissan Juke car were also taken to the hospital. Morgan was pronounced dead at hospital and the other occupants of both vehicles were admitted in stable condition. Investigation continues. The decomposing body of a man believed to be one of 8 persons who escaped the Black River police lockup in June has been found in bushes in St. Elizabeth. One of the escapees was recaptured on Saturday. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the shooting of a man believed to be of an unsound mind early Monday morning in Portland. Details of the shooting are sketchy as it is uncertain if the man was shot by a licensed firearm holder whose house he attacked with stones or the police who were also attacked with stones while responding to the incident.